Hello YouTube, just thought I'd show you my 1998 Holden Commodore VT Executive Wagon. This one cost me $200. It runs, it's pretty straight as you can see, and yeah, it's a pretty solid car really. It needs a wash desperately, as you will see. Sort of see inside. Go around the other side. They've got a nice big boot in there. As you can see, it's got a pram in there. This actually came with the car. Don't know why, but there it is. And I have to hold the tailgate up with my arm because these gas struts are no longer working. As you will see when I let go, it just falls. So yeah, there's the back of it. There's a few dents in this door here, around the door handle, and that's probably the worst of it. The rest of it's all pretty good really. It's got Statesman mags on it from an earlier model, not sure what model. We'll go inside, look at the interior. Okay, here we are inside. Can we read that? There we are, 310,000 kilometers. So it's done a few. Just seems to run all right. I'm not really sure what features this thing has. I haven't really looked through it. I bought it a while ago, I just haven't looked at it. It's got air conditioning. As you can see, it's an automatic. Yeah. Hope it's got cruise control. Not really sure. I'll let you know. Let's start it up. Oh, that didn't work. There we go. Go have a look under the hood. Cool. Yeah, beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. And that's under the hood. It's a 3.8 litre V6. Runs pretty smooth. Pretty clean. Well, it needs a clean, but you know, there's no oil leaking anywhere. So it's all good. And there's the exhaust, so it's not blowing any smoke, not leaking any oil. Pretty solid car. Really got to pump that tyre up. It's got a slow leak, this wheel. I've been meaning to look into it, but I will one day, and maybe I'll make a video about it. Anyway, that's about all I have for this video. Hope you liked it. If you've got any questions about the car, leave it in the comments section. Like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take it easy.